It's over there. Okay.
I think we gotta. Oh.
Sharing it with my family. This has been our dream, so it's just amazing to say that I can come home as a gold medalist.
Thank you so much. I'm sorry to bother you.
That's okay, thank you.
Shanny, what do you think of these kids here for you?
They're all
Okay, is that hers? Okay. What are you saying?
Thank you.
Congrats, Suni.
Good job.
Hold on.
Oh man, this is going to be good. Joining us now on the plaza, Suni's parents, Yang and John, her brother and sister, Jonah and Cheyenne. All right, you guys have not seen this little girl since she won those medals, have you?
No.
Is it time? Do you want to see her?
Yes.
Suni Lee, please come on out and see your family. This is crazy. I don't know. Are we supposed to get up?
You did great. Awesome. You did it.
Okay. Yeah.
We have to confess you actually saw your sister yesterday. It's your brother.
Can't keep sisters apart.
Suni, okay, so you said when we were in Tokyo that this medal was for us.
Yes.
You talked about your dad. Just tell us what it was like seeing him for the first time.
Amazing. I haven't seen him in so long, so to see them here and be with me in New York is absolutely amazing, and just I feel so proud and I'm so happy to see them.
No. Suni, I think I remember you saying you wanted to put that medal around your dad's neck. Do you want to do that now?
What the heck?
It belongs to him too, doesn't it?
Yep.
Thank you.
Oh. Gotta make it look good.
But Suni, little did you know you'd bring one home for Mom too.
I think Cheyenne wants one, and so does Jonah.
Yeah.
So John, how does it feel to have that medal around your neck?
Oh my God. I don't know. I never ever thought that I would ever get one of these, and she did it. She brought it home. I'm so proud of her, so surprised, so everything. Good job.
Yang, I heard you were crying a lot of tears. That's what John said. But happy tears these last few weeks. What has it been like for a mom watching your little one from afar just shine on this world stage under so much pressure?
It's like happy tears, you know, like just thinking all the hard work that she has done, you know, in the past 2 years. And every time when she has a bad day and she comes home crying, and then that kind of hurts me. And so seeing her with the gold medal or winning these medal, it just made me happy. And so like those are like happy tears, you know.
John, all those years ago, you built a balance beam in the backyard for your little girl. You said you couldn't afford to buy one, so you were going to build one. Back in those days, could you ever imagine that here we'd be sitting, you'll have a gold medal draped around your neck that your little girl won in the all-around at 18 years old?
That beam was built out of a piece of wood, right? Never thought I'd be wearing one of these because of that beam. It is just incredible. And I love that beam now.
We all do. I feel like I took advantage of it.
What about your sister?
Yeah.
Are you proud of her?
Oh, I'm so proud. I'm crazy about it. I love it. I'm so proud of her.
Yeah.
Suni, this is a magical moment. I know you've waited for this. And if you were just going to tell your dad, you know, what he's meant to you over these years, because he's been there since the beginning.
Yeah.
And he's been there, obviously, he had this devastating injury. But what would you say to him?
I mean, I would say thank you. Like, I wouldn't be here without you. I wouldn't be here without any of you. This whole dream has just been amazing and an incredible journey. So to have you all here with me is just amazing.
Well, you know who would have loved to be here with you is about 300, 400 of the Hmong community.
Yeah.
Who I guess, John, you put out the word on Facebook for a few people to get together, and you ended up having like 500 people come up to cheer for Suni. That was incredible.
We did it in about a day and a half. We had to get the place. So the Brothers Center was a relative of ours, so they were able to give it to us, and then we expected 50 to 100 people. Ended up to be over 300-400 people.
Yeah,
That was pretty incredible. And Cindy, I don't think you have any idea how many young girls you've inspired by what you did. You just did your thing, and you ended up turning on a whole bunch of other little girls. So, ladies and gentlemen, can we say congratulations to Cindy and her beautiful family? And guys, our celebration, we're just getting started because her teammates are going to be. We're going to chat with all of them coming up. Craig, back to you.
Mama she do, có lo tao đi hà.